Hi, welcome to Rogers Yard number 4. Just wanted to show you what I've been up to this last weekend. We're supposed to get rain. We got a tenth of an inch. So that was next to nothing. So I got out, pulled up all the bricks. Now what I'm going to do next is tap down the dirt real nice, get a nice and firm base, relay my bricks, then we'll start the process all over again, where the dirt will start coming down, the bricks will stop it, it'll build up. But by the time that happens, I'll probably be long gone. It's a long, slow process. It'll look nicer, more organized, makes me look like I'm in control. My very, very nice neighbor, who's mowed his yard for the third time this year, and I haven't done it yet, so I kind of got guilted into getting the old yard cut, but it looks a little better. But it's something I don't try and rush into. I like to work myself into it. I've got to be in the right mood. Oh, and there off in the background is the trash truck. I wanted to show off my pile of trash, and would you believe the yard recyclers were by at like 7:45 this morning? Heck, I was still in my bathrobe reading the paper, so didn't get to show off, but I've got several projects going. This is one of them. I want to take you over to Daylilyville so you can see what I'm going to be digging those and separate them, which I'm greatly overdue. And then I'm going to show you where I'm going to put them. I'm going to try and mess things up a little bit. Mix things up, not mess things up. I normally mess things up. I'm going to try and mix things up. So while I'm here, though, I want to show you one more thing. My neighbor's beautiful, sorry, so jerky, redbud tree is just starting to bloom. Really a lovely native tree. Doesn't get oversized, easy to prune, pretty strong in the storm. So just a really nice decorative tree. Well, we got to get over to Daylilyville. Next project, need to get to the store and get myself some sweet potato vines and some red Sylvia. Get that filled up. Of course, the crepe marital's not going to do anything, so I don't expect much. Then the project after that is take and dig up Daylilyville, separate them. I'm going to put them more out around the yard, but revitalize this and get this going. I have about 6 or 7 different varieties, and the whole idea is each variety is on its own timetable. So once I get started, I'll almost have something in bloom all the time, somewhere, somehow. One of my favorites is right here in front. It's a yellow one, and it's a flower within a flower, and really, really like it. And all of these daylilies are rebloomers. It's important to get rebloomers so you can enjoy more than just one flash in the pan. But that's just me. To each his own. Well, the term got it done, I think, applies here. Got it all dug up, got it all relayed. A job I won't have to do again ever, I hope. Look at Big Blues coming out so nicely. Now, if we only could get a decent rain. But this really defines things nicely. And with the overrun of water I get, it's nice to have this kind of control things and define the yard. It's early on, and it's coming on. The weather forecast was for rain, so it motivated me to get out here and get these split. I ended up taking a total of 18 splittings off of here and got these replanted. I also ran out to Walmart and picked up my front yard display, so that'll be my next project to get going this weekend. But I wanted to show you what it looked like. Now I'm going to walk you back to where I made the transplants. And I'm just going to be real curious to see which ones work out well. So I have these here. Lilacs coming out. Came down here, transplanted all of these, and then over in my big garden, got them all over the place. Got back there behind the maiden grass, back behind the yucca, in front of the yucca. I've got it over here. There's some more. Back there by the bird bath. And then look how everything's coming out. Grass is good. Lily of the Valley's nice and thick. I love it thick. Big blue churning along. And this one on the end, this bark, I think I'm just going to chuck in behind the arborvitaes. Just let it decay back there. Yep, still need to clean that up. And this is starting to come in nicely. Gotta get my gargoyle back up. But everything is greening up. I'm going to clean up and continue on. Okay, this is the wrap up of Roger's Yard number 4. What I'm trying to do is come up with another nature shot rather than a squirrel in a cage. Out front here underneath my drain, I've got 2 little finches that are nesting. Now I don't think they've hatched, but I know the finches are not too happy with me right now. I'm not too sure you can see them, but they're both up in this tree. There they go, up there higher. And they're just not too happy with me. So what I'm going to do is hang here a few minutes and see if they can get comfortable enough to come back to the nest. What I got to do is figure out a way to keep an eye on this nest, and when the babies come out, they'll need to be fed. So that'll be some action. Now the birds do cause a little bit of a mess, but you know, I'll just wait until the little ones hatch and they take off and fly. Then I'll clean it up. It'll just be for 2, 3, 4 weeks. It happens before. I don't want to leave the nest there forever, but once the family's up and on their own, we'll clean out. Hope you enjoyed number 4. I will keep working. There's always something to do around the yard. My wife seems to think it keeps me off the street. So, until next time, have a good week. Got any comments? Feel free to email me, post a comment, like it, share it, and subscribe. Talk at you later.